Real safety. Hazard is not the same as a risk. Can you tell them apart? A hazard is anything with the potential to cause harm, like moving machinery, chemicals, heights, or even your behavior. In health and safety, harm includes physical or mental injury, illness, or damage caused by a hazard, ranging from minor like a scratch to serious or long-term consequences, or even a fatality. Risk, on the other hand, is the chance, likelihood, a hazard combined with an activity will cause harm, and how severe, consequence, the outcome would be. What is likelihood? It is how probable it is that a hazardous event will happen. Consequence is how bad it could get, from a first aid incident all the way to something catastrophic. It is the potential or actual outcome. Risk is the chance, likelihood, a hazard will cause harm, and how severe, consequence, the outcome would be. Now we need to assess the risk. We assess risk in safety to proactively prevent injuries or fatalities. By evaluating the likelihood and consequences of potential incidents, organizations can implement effective control measures and foster a safer, more productive work environment. Risk scoring is the process of quantifying hazards by multiplying the likelihood of an incident by its severity, consequence. To prioritize risks, it categorizes risks from low to extreme, guiding necessary, prompt, or immediate corrective actions. So now what, real safety? We apply controls, but all controls are not equal. Controls are the actions we take to eliminate or minimize hazards. Use the hierarchy of controls. Start at the top. Eliminate where you can. If not, substitute, engineer, isolate, or if still unable, then use admin systems such as SOPs. And as a last line, use PPE. PPE is always the last line of defense. Hierarchy in action. Elimination. Removing a hazardous chemical completely from a workplace, instead of using it in a process. Substitution. Change a hazardous chemical for one that does the same job without the harmful effects. Engineering. Automatic shut-off systems that turn equipment off when unsafe conditions are detected. Isolation. Physical separation of people and vehicles, such as fenced walkways or traffic exclusion zones. Administration. Safe operating procedures, SOPs, that outline how to do tasks safely. PPE, hard hats, high-vis, gloves, steel-toed shoes, and so on. Take noise, for example. Engineer out the source before relying on ear protection. Now you know how to spot hazards and control risks. Real safety. Safety first, because injuries last.